Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title is Towards Building Forensic Enabled Cloud Through Secure Logging as a Service. Our project abstract: collection and analysis of various logs, example process log, network logs, or fundamental activities in computer forensics. Ensuring the security of the activity logs is therefore crucial to ensure reliable forensic investigation. However, because of the black box natures of the clouds and the volatility of commingling of cloud data, providing the cloud logs to investigation while preserving the user's privacy and the integrity of logs is challenging. The current secure logging schemes, which consider the loggers as trusted, cannot be applied in clouds, since there is a chance that cloud providers or loggers collude with malicious users or investigators to alter the logs. This paper analyzed the threat on cloud users' activities logs, considering the collusion between cloud users, providers, and investigators. Based on the threat model, we propose Secure Logging as a Service, or SecLAS, which preserves various logs generated for the activity of the virtual machines running in clouds and ensure the confidentiality and integrity of such logs. Investigators or the court authority can only access these logs by the RESTful APIs provided by SecLAS, which ensures confidentiality of logs. The integrity of the logs is ensured by a hash chain scheme and a proof of past logs published periodically by the cloud providers. In the previous research, we used two accumulator schemes, Bloom filter and RSA accumulator, to build the proof of past logs. In this paper, we proposed a new accumulator scheme, Bloom tree, which performed better than the other two accumulators in terms of time and space requirements. This is our project data flow diagram. In the data flow diagram, we have to reduce the external attack. This is the cloud using the many users. This is the node users with node creation. Certain process can be done in the cloud. We are using we have managed the cloud data in a certain database. We have to upload the data. After that, we have to use duplicate data in the database. The database can be monitored by web servers and admins, and the database can be create a log of database. Can be using a verification and validation method to access the users with cloud users to access different types of clouds. To reduce also internal attacks. The external attacks can be basically reduced, but the some of the internal attacks can be make access of different data for different users. Using to reduce the different internal attacks, we are using a validation and verification methods of the log of databases stored in the database. It can be accessed only by a web server and the admin, which can be managed the databases. The user can be processed only a cloud. After that, the cloud access a database, send a file about the users to the database. The database can be viewed by the web server and admin, and the log can be verified and validated, and the access can be granted to access the data in the cloud for the users. This is our project demo towards building forensic enabled cloud through secure logging as a service. There is three types of login: admin, provider, and user login. If you are an existing user, we have use an ID and password to be logging. If you are a new user, select new user. I am giving an ID and password, giving a mail. Registration is complete. Using the ID and making as a login. So login is a success. I have to choose a file. I am choosing a file. There is a content in it. I am requesting a cloud to store a file using a provider login. This is the admin to be logged in. This is the existing users. The admin can be viewed. The provider should be granted access. Request to be sent to the provider. The provider should be verified if the user is authenticator, and the access should be granted. The user can upload the files. Cloud can be assigned and the file can be stored. This is the username and the file can be stored. The user can be successfully logged out. There is the ID of the user and the file stored. The provider can be viewed the list of the IDs and the file stored in the database. This is the new users. The admin can view the login time and the logout time and the process time. The user can be processed in a cloud. Total process time can be viewed. This is the new users. Thank you.